Wonderful evening to all of you. Today I am going to tell you a very important tip. AI, ChatGPT. Yes. So today I will tell you how to make flyers in ChatGPT. What are the flyers? I hope you know. Flyers, like if we want to tell someone about something, we uh, make we make a flyer. It can be a paper, but this time it's a social media time, AI time, so no need to take any paper and no need to print anything. We just go to the chat GPT. We need to give the prompts what we want, okay, and it will create flyers as it is. And the picture and the writing part is awesome. So let's go to the chat GPT first. Now, here I go to the chat GPT. Yes, I think my screen is visible, guys. Okay. Actually, today I made a flyer. You can see, I think. Yes. Yeah. This flyer I made today. So it's my free version. So maybe it will give another, like, it it will allow me to make another flyer or not. Let's give a prompt. Okay. What we can say, like we can speak by speaking, by telling. We can give the prompt or we can write. So I'm going here with my voice. Okay. Please create a flyer for neuro grammar workshop and the time is 7 p.m. Write my name, bottom right. Make it professional. Now, please create a flyer for Neuros Grammar workshop and the time is 7 p.m. Write my name, bottom right. Make it professional. Now, everything is okay, nothing is wrong. So we will go to the arrow. That means, yeah, thank God. It, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. You have hit the limit for image creation. To get more, try plus for free or wait for your limit to reset tomorrow after 3 p.m. Yeah, actually, today I made flyers a lot. Maybe it gives you 5 to 6 flyers for free for one day. I think I have made more than five. Like, so this is why I hope this image will give us. So I think it's creating. So, friends, we can create flyers on Canva. We can create anything in Canva. But what happens? ChatGPT gives professional, gives flyers, virtual backgrounds, it's picture, it's writing part, it's color part. It's awesome, unbelievable. Yes. So, and in Canva, but best part of Canva is we can remove something, we can add something immediately, or when do we need. But in ChatGPT, what happens? It doesn't allow us to, it doesn't allow us to like something remove or manually. Manually, we can't do anything. We just need to give prompt to this. Like if I want to remove my name, I have to give a prompt. Please remove my name. Or something I have to say, please remove this picture and create another. So it will do. by giving the prompt. Otherwise, manually, it's not possible to do anything in ChatGPT pictures. And Canva, we can do. And the one best part of Canva, no need to save anything. Canva saves itself, whatever you create. And it gives so many things, but we need to explore Canva. Learning part is different, but it's how, like, how much you explore, how do you explore, you will get new and unique things. So it's all about how much you explore Canva. For I think this time Canva is in demand. So let's see. I hope. Okay. Look at this, guys. It ChatGPT created two pictures. Okay. Look at this. Two pictures. And it is asking image one is better or image two is better. Yes. So I think both images better. Yeah, professionally, second image two is better than the first image, but I am a visual person. Yes, visual person means someone who bought something and yes, and like and decide like it is good or it is not. So I prefer image one, but we will go for both. Like here it is. Download option is here or not? Okay, wait. Let me download here. Let's click on it. Download. Downloading. You can download. Okay, very good. Now look at the go to the second image. You can download it also. Now, by this way, giving the prompt, yes, we can make Canva. Now I stop share. Yes. So you have seen how did I make the flyer on ChatGPT. You can make virtual background. You can put any image there, like what you want. What is your imagination? According to your imagination, you can make the prompt, you can speak or you can write. Canva will give you the same image, same thing, but it's all about your imagination. Yes. So thank you so much for listening me. Bye bye. Let's मिलते हैं next video. So you can like, share and subscribe. Thank you.